Hi guys! Good morning! Welcome to my YouTube channel. May pupuntahan po kami with my friend. Kami isang place na napakaganda. Okay guys, see you later. Bye! I'm back. Thank you again. At naikot ko na yung buong lugar. Napakaganda. It's refreshing and it's nakakawalang stress. Today Sunday, Japan, Okayama City. Nandito po ako to refresh, mawala ang stress, medyo mag-iba naman ang ating pananaw kasi napakaganda ng mga trees. It's a natural, it's a greeny. And makikita mo na ngayon ang mga trees at nag-iiba na rin kasi nag-start na ang fall. It's November. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my channel here in YouTube.